Friends, what if I told you a light small enough to fit in your pocket could completely change the way your videos look? Today we are checking out the Zhiyun Fiveray M40 SE bicolor LED light, a compact and portable light that promises powerful performance at an affordable price. But can this budget-friendly light actually deliver the result creators are looking for? In today's video, we'll unbox it, test its features and see if it's worth adding to your setup. So friends, my name is Ram. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright guys, enough talking. It's time to see what Zhiyun has packed inside this box. From first impression to build quality, let's unbox it and find out if this affordable pocket-sized light feels as premium as the company promises. So friends, here's how the box looks like. Zhiyun has sent me the combo version with some extra accessories. At the bottom we have the branding and in the middle a big picture of this light. The box is compact and lightweight. It has a seal on it. So let's break the seal and open the box. On opening, first of all we have here a small card on which we have a QR code which you can scan and see user guide. Also there are contact details for service support. All the items have been kept very properly via partitions, so let's take them out one by one. Here we have a silicone diffuser which helps soften the light output, reducing harsh shadows and creating a more natural and flattering look. Then we have a universal ball head gimbal which allows you to easily adjust the angle and direction of Zhiyun M40 SE for precise lighting placement. It can really be a game changer. We will discuss how it works later in detail in the video. Then we have a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging purposes. Then we have some more paperwork. It's a quick start guide which you can refer in case you need any information. And finally we have over here our main item, the Zhiyun Fiveray M40 SE LED light which has been packed in a plastic cover. Let's take it out. Right away, the first thing that catches my attention is this clean cream colored finish which gives it a unique and premium look compared to the typical all black lighting gear. The design feels modern and stylish while the compact form factor makes it incredibly portable. On the left you have some specs mentioned and below is the branding. On the right you have two dials, one to adjust color temperature and other for brightness level adjustment and to turn it on and off. Here you also have the battery indicators. The dials make adjustment quick and intuitive. The light comes with a hard shell diffuser which is a great addition for creators who prefer softer lighting. Overall, it has a very simple and user-friendly control layout. Just beside the dials, we have the USB-C port for charging purposes. You can charge the light with this cable. Underneath, we have a standard 1/4 inch threaded hole for mounting, which adds a lot of versatility to the setup. Further, you can mount this universal ball head gimbal to add some extra flexibility to your lighting setup. The Zhiyun M40 SE features an active cooling system with a built-in fan to efficiently dissipate heat during operation. This light comes with a hard shell diffuser for softer lighting, but you can remove it and use a soft silicone diffuser instead. You can remove it very easily and now you can also see the LED lights. This light utilizes 84 LED lenses to deliver bright and evenly distributed illumination. This multi-LED design helps produce a powerful output while maintaining excellent color accuracy and consistency. Let me show you how you can put on the silicone diffuser as well. Compared to the hard shell diffuser, which offers a balance between brightness and diffusion while maintaining a more directional output, the silicone diffuser prioritizes softness and a more natural looking illumination. So if you want maximum softness, the silicone diffuser is the better choice, whereas the hard shell diffuser is great when you need a softer light without sacrificing too much brightness. The dials work well even after putting on the silicone cover. So these are all the accessories that you get along with the light if you buy the combo version. Overall, the unboxing experience has been quite impressive. Everything feels well designed and creator focused. So friends, let's now talk about the design and build quality of this Zhiyun M40 SE because it is one of its biggest strengths. The M40 SE features a compact smartphone-like design with a slim rectangular shape and rounded corners. Weighing only around 250 grams, it's lightweight enough to carry comfortably and easily fits in a pocket or camera bag, making it perfect for creators who shoot on the go. Despite its small size, the light feels solid and well built. The matte finish gives it a premium look while also resisting fingerprints. It doesn't feel cheap and flimsy, and the weight distribution is excellent, making it comfortable to hold or mount on a rig. Zhiyun has also kept the controls simple with physical dials for brightness and color temperature adjustments, allowing quick changes during shoots. Plus the 1/4 inch mounting thread means you can attach it to tripods, light stands or magnetic arms without any hassle. So now that we have taken a look at the design and build quality, it's time to talk about what really matters. Yes, the features that make the Zhiyun M40 SE stand out. One of the most impressive things about this Zhiyun M40 SE is just how bright it gets despite its compact size. It delivers up to 40 watt of output power with a peak brightness of around 17,100 lux at 0.5 meters, making it more than capable of handling interviews, product shots, talking head videos, and even outdoor fill lighting during golden hour. The brightness can be adjusted smoothly, allowing you to dial in exactly the amount of light you need for different shooting scenarios. The M40 SE features a versatile 2700K to 8500K bicolor range. This means you can switch from warm tungsten style lighting for a cozy cinematic look to a cooler daylight tone that matches natural sunlight. This flexibility is extremely useful when filming in different environments, helping maintain consistent color throughout your video without needing additional color gels. Plus, with a CRI of 95 plus and TLCI of 97 plus, skin tones and colors look natural and accurate on camera. This light comes with a built-in 2600 mAh battery designed for creators who need portability. In real-world usage, Zhiyun claims around 3 hours of runtime at 25% brightness, approximately 1.5 hours at 50% brightness, and around 44 minutes at full power. While maximum brightness drains the battery relatively quickly, the lower brightness settings provide enough endurance for most content. A huge advantage of the M40 SE is its USB-C PD fast charging support. It takes roughly 1 hour and 35 minutes to fully recharge and also supports pass-through charging, meaning you can continue using the light while powering it through a compatible USB-C charger or a power bank. This is especially useful for long recording sessions where downtime isn't an option. For mounting flexibility, the Zhiyun M40 SE includes a standard 1/4 inch threaded mounting point, making it compatible with tripods, mini stands, magic arms, and various camera accessories. Depending on the kit, you may also get a ball head adapter with a cold shoe mount, allowing you to attach the light directly to your camera setup. This versatility makes it easy to use whether you are shooting handheld in a studio setup or on a location. Another feature worth mentioning is the active cooling system built into the Zhiyun M40 SE. Despite its compact size and powerful output, the light uses an internal cooling fan to efficiently manage heat during extended use. This helps maintain consistent brightness performance while preventing overheating, making it more reliable for longer recording sessions. The fan is also relatively quiet, so it shouldn't be a major concern for most filming situations. One of the biggest highlight of this Zhiyun M40 SE is its price. At just $79, it offers an impressive combination of portability, power and versatility without putting a strain on your budget. Many compact LED lights with similar feature cost significantly more, making the M40 SE an excellent value for YouTubers, filmmakers, photographers and content creators looking for professional looking lighting at an affordable price. In my personal opinion, the Zhiyun M40 SE is a great option for creators who need a compact and powerful lighting solution. I really like how portable it is without compromising too much on brightness and features. The bicolor range and USB-C charging makes it practical for everyday use, especially for vloggers and YouTubers who shoot on the go. While the battery life at maximum brightness could be better, considering its size and price, it offers excellent value for money. So friend, that was the Zhiyun Fiveray M40 SE LED light. If you would like to pick one, then I will put a purchasing link for you in the description box. And if you found this review helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators and subscribe the channel for more honest reviews, unboxing and content creation tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and Jai Shri Krishna.